know who this is. I'm trying to find out if this church was here in 1832. I'm looking for an old grave marker. Hope I'm not being disrespectful. I don't think I am. There's a fence around all that. None of that. How old that would be? I guess some of you people that work with iron or something. That stuff looks heavy. Matilda Walton. Born September 20th, 1819. Wow. Honored Christian mother. Samuel Walton. June 28, 1815. Died in 1855. Oh, okay. This old wall of some motor graves. I'm not going to go in there. Let's see one there. George. Father-in-law, name was George. Died of cancer. 67 years old. Good man, that's my father-in-law. Jemima Ginty, born October 22nd, 1831. Died January 9, 1883. We will meet again. R.C.C. McGinty was born March 29, 1820 and died August 7, 1858 in his 39th year. Oh, man. The writing in that stone. Yeverton, born January 27, 1822. 1822. So this church, was it 1826? Died May 27, 1887. They have, I believe it was a Confederate States Army veteran. The coins, I think it's to remember me. Are that you're remembered? I've never done that. But I'm going to do it. Maybe when I get to visit my mom and dad's grave, get my sister to go and we can do it together. Bright, Yeomanton, Company E, 31st Regiment, Georgia Infantry, CSA. Well, thank you, sir. I've never seen something like this. Well, there's the Mason symbol on the top. It has Moses born 1822. So, was this his mother? She was born February 1st, 1794. I have never seen a grave this old. Died May 20th, 1864, during the Civil War. My gosh, 1794. Susan Perkins, born June 10th, 1822. Died June 15th, 1868. Wow. Ism Perkins, born July 15th, 1824. Died October 31st, 1906. Just to let you know, I'm not standing real close to the grave. Wow. The people that did that kind of good work, that made that. In memory of our father, O.W. Slaughter, born October 10th, 1829. Wow. Died April 25th. My son was born April 25th. Died April 25th, 1907. Wow. The work they did, the craftsmanship. In remembrance of our mama, Rebecca Slaughter, born July 14, 1834, died October 26, 1888. What in the OK Corral, October 26, 1881? I have never seen a graveyard this old. In memory of our mother, Rebecca G. Maple, was born December 1st, 1815, died January 15, 1898. Okay, I'm just going to do one more. I guess it's the head, the family member or something. I don't know what you call it. Here's another one with I don't know what kind of ironwork that is. Mason. Our Papa, Charlie B. Adams, born October 19, 1818. Married Mary A. Bradbury, September 10, 1840. Died April 16, 1860. There's another one of our Cavalry States of America veterans. Wilburn F. Day, Company I, 64th Georgia Infantry, CSA, Confederate States of America. Robert F. Worthington, Company A, 3rd Arkansas Infantry,